Hello friends, today we will discuss digital currencies and RBI's digital rupee. So through it we want to see what is the future of money. Digital currencies are new form of money. Money has evolved from barter to coins, paper currency, plastic money, and now digital money. The latest development is the central bank digital currency that is known as CBDC, a digital form of sovereign currency issued and backed by a country's central bank. In India, the Reserve Bank of India has launched its own digital currency, popularly known as the digital rupee. So it is written as electronic rupee or digital rupee. Digital currencies aim to combine the convenience of digital payments with the trust of central bank money, shaping the future of money and transactions. So, what is digital currency? A digital currency is a form of money that exists only electronically and is issued by a central authority or created through blockchain technology. So, there are various types of digital currencies. First is cryptocurrencies, decentralized. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then comes stable coins like pegged to real assets like USD. Third is CBDC, central bank digital currency, issued by central bank. For example, RBI's digital rupee, China's RBI's digital rupee CBDC, India. It was launched as a pilot project introduced in 2022 for wholesale and retail use. Forms of digital rupee. Wholesale. For wholesale, it is written as e-rupee blue, W for wholesale, used for interbank transactions, settlement of government securities. Retail. For retail, the symbol is e-rupees R for retail, available for citizens, business, and merchants for everyday payments. Technology based on blockchain or distributed ledger but controlled centrally by RBI. It is centrally controlled by RBI. Its features are same value as physical cash, legal tender guaranteed by RBI, stored in digital wallets accessible via banks. Global examples are there of digital currencies. First is China. Digital yuan is known as CNY, widely tested in cities for retail